all the time translating in your head and you can't actually make your brain to think in English. If you've ever kind of like tried to speak English and your brain just refuses to think in English, okay? And you know that moment where when your thoughts are speak and to think in English. So let me tell you, if you all the time translating real English conversations, whatever, and then it's kind of like delaying your brain to your thinking in English. But don't worry, because you're not alone. In today's video, I'm going to give you a quick kind of like tips and strategies and of course techniques that can help you to think in English and of course to speak like a native English speaker. So if you're new to the channel, welcome, and this is where you learn all about pronunciation, and also if you want to perfect your British pronunciation and speak with confidence. And yeah, as I mentioned earlier, I'm just giving you these 5 tricks on how to train your brain and finally think in English naturally, instantly, and without panicking at all. So that sounds fun. Let's get started. So now, I would highly suggest, first of all, if you jump in, like, let's say, any conversation and you all the time Google translating and even you can't think in English, first of all, you have to narrate your day in English. What I'm talking about here, this is one simple, and it's while you are walking, talking, and even waiting for, let's say, a bus stop or whatever, talking to your friends in English, people will just think you are on a cone, right? It's small, but it requires your brain to think in English, okay? So try to kind of like to all the time listening to TV shows, movies, whatever, podcasts, and even quite a lot of content creators out there. So those will help you to learn English and of course to think in English rather than all the time translating in your mother tongue. So now you have to turn into your phone native language. What I'm talking about, your phone is your kind of like is your fluency strategy. Your phone is with you all the time, more than most people, so you make it your English teacher. What I'm talking about here, switch your phone, language, apps, and even games, whatever you've got. Translate it. No, you have to change that language from your mother tongue to English straight away. So that is a quick trick that will help you to think in English without even realizing it, okay? You need to watch content that you actually love, okay? What I'm talking about here is stop forcing yourself to watch boring textbooks in a video, for example, or watch English that you really enjoy. Let's say comedy, if you're an action movie with subtitles first when you start it, right? And then after that, you will gradually improve it and you will gradually watch without subtitles. It's more fun, to be fair, and the faster your brain is switching to a language. However, micro English moments, what I'm talking about here, a micro English moment, you don't need to study for quite a lot of hours. 2 hours study sessions, use 30 seconds, 1 minute there, and even waiting in a line, for example, thinking in English, or even before sleeping, think in English, even when you're brushing your teeth, you need to think in English. These are a tiny moments that add up to a huge progress. It's stop translating and simplifying. It starts simplifying. Your brain doesn't need to fancy to have a fancy words, even a millions of vocabulary. Instead, you need to think in English. How can you articulate your words without even translating? And I would say translation is a big barrier when it comes like into fluency. Just you need to think in English. What I would highly recommend is that you need to start with your phone first of all, because you have your phone all the time with you, and then when you change it, the language of your phone, it will automatically help you to think in English. All your social media platforms as well. Thinking in English isn't just about being perfect, it's about being consistent and persistent. So if you can do these things in everyday life, in real life situations, conversations, even a few minutes every single day, your brain will start switching automatically from your mother tongue to English or whatever language you're learning. So I hope these quick tips help you to kind of to rewire your brain, and of course to kind of to change your idea of when it comes like in thinking in English. So stop translating and start thinking.